Great design. These two simple words have driven individuals, companies, entire industries to develop the most amazing products ever seen, yet, and drive SOLIDWORKS to introduce solutions that simplify the process of designing and building products to accelerate your innovation. Great design always starts with a great idea. Today, you need the flexibility to capture ideas anywhere while expecting more from your tools to transform ideas into game-changing, innovative products. SOLIDWORKS 2018's fully integrated design-to-manufacturing process makes this a reality. Smart manufacturing leverages the intelligence of the 3D model throughout the product development process. Great designs must ask the question, what if? A question that can't be answered without expensive physical prototyping. With SOLIDWORKS integrated simulation tools, designs can be optimized and multiple failure modes can be considered long before the first prototype is built. Ultimately, a great design is validated, studied at every level, and analyzed throughout every step of the process. As the product moves through the design process, data is generated from everywhere and in many different forms. In order to facilitate your ability to safely share this data with the right people at the right time, a distributed data management system is paramount. One thing is certain about design in 2018. If a product is not connected to the web or another device, it will be. Employing a set of integrated design tools to develop connected products and systems helps you shorten design cycles, improve quality, and facilitate manufacturing. SOLIDWORKS 2018 provides you with an intuitive 3D development environment that helps maximize the productivity of your design and engineering resources. From design and analysis through data management and manufacturing, creating better, more cost-effective products faster than ever before. SOLIDWORKS 2018 is how great designs get built.